Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock a hidden Canva set that called Festive Gingerbread and Cozy Christmas Treats Pack. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Canva and then just create a designs or open your old designs. And then next, just go to Elements and then search for this code. This one, just type this code and then just hit enter. And okay, like this. You will unlock a full set of Christmas themed goodies like a gingerbread man like this, and then it has a gift box, and then it has also hot cocoa, cinnamons, chocolates, and many more. The element box is perfect for Christmas greeting card, festive Instagram posts, holiday receipts graphics, story highlights, and many more. Just go ahead and try it out and make your holiday designs extra warm and cozy. And okay, maybe that's it. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.